trail running shoes can deliver top-notch grip, comfort, and durability. Whether you're tackling steep mountain streets or muddy forest trails, the right shoes can change your run and impress your experience. But there are so many options. Which one is better for you? In this video, we will reveal the top 5 best trail running shoes that are hand-picked to boost your performance and protect your feet across all terrains. From lightweight speed shoes to rugged all-terrain options, these selections are built to help you run longer, faster, and safer. Check the links in the description. Your next favorite shoes might be number 1. The 5th product on our list is Brooks Divide 5. If you are looking for the best budget-friendly trail running shoes that also give you a smooth transition from road to trail, the Brooks Divide 5 trail running shoe is perfect according to your needs. It's built with a road shoe-inspired fit, it feels familiar and comfortable, yet ready to handle rough roads when you're ready to explore beyond the street. The DNA Loft V2 cushioning makes it very comfortable. It's 10% lighter than before, and now with extra stack height, giving you softer landings and smooth transitions, whether you're on loose dirt or concrete. You'll feel the difference every step of the way. For grip and control, you're getting the TrailTech green rubber outsole made with 25% recycled materials. It combines that with the suspicious 3.5mm lugs, and you've got reliable traction, whether the trail's dry or wet. Even on light trails or off-road runs, you will be covered. The lightweight, fast-drying, breathable air fabric top keeps your feet easy and cool. Moreover, a light TPU guard and an inside gap provide a comfortable fit that helps keep debris and dirt out of your way. The great feature of these shoes is that they are carbon neutral certified, which means Brooks use recycled materials and offsets any remaining emissions. So you're helping the environment with every run. Do you want shoes that are comfortable on roads, budget-friendly, and ready for trails? The Brooks Divide 5 could be the smartest option for you with amazing, exceptional all-surface grip. The 4th place on our list is Saucony Peregrine 15. The Saucony Peregrine 15 is the best trail running partner, as it is very lightweight, tough, and ready to handle any terrain you throw at it. This shoe is designed to give you maximum grip, comfort, and protection on every outdoor adventure. With its newly upgraded PUR track foam, with each step, you'll feel better absorbency of shock and smooth comfort. Whether you are navigating through wooded roads or jumping on rocky hills, this shoe keeps your feet feeling fresh and protected from start to finish. The reformulated Pure Track rubber outsole combined with aggressive 5mm lugs gives you serious grip, even on wet or uneven surfaces. So, no matter how slippery or rugged the trail gets, you will stay in control. In these shoes, you are getting a high-strength mesh upper that's both breathable and durable. It's built to protect your feet in high abrasion zones while still keeping you cool. Moreover, there is a D-ring for gator compatibility perfect for those extra muddy days. Without affecting flexibility, the front footstone protection provides extra protection by protecting your feet from sharp rocks. Additionally, a low-profile 4mm offset will make you feel balanced and stable. Are you looking for a trail shoe that blends comfort, grip, and serious protection? The Saucony Peregrine 15 could be the smartest trail for you to make the run smooth and flexible. The 3rd product on our list is the North Face Altamesa 300. The North Face Altamesa 300 trail running shoes are the most comfortable shoes for hitting the trails in lightweight comfort. It's designed for everyday runners like you. These sneakers combine trail-ready stability with luxurious comfort. It doesn't matter if you're riding gravel roads or climbing difficult mountains. These shoes are built with a lightweight, seamless mesh upper to keep your feet cool while staying on rough roads. Additionally, long runs feel more comfortable and natural when your big and middle thumbs have more space in the toe box. The upper uses 53% recycled material, so you are promoting longevity as you travel. It's made to give you built-in stability on uneven trails, and slipping them on super easy by the gear-inspired pull tab at the heel. The Sky Core rock guards and Surface Cuttrell rubber outsole makes these trails ready. These features protect your feet from sharp rocks while giving you dependable grip, whether you are running on loose gravel or rocky hills. Looking for a trail running shoe that's comfortable, lightweight, protective, and made for serious outdoor adventures? The North Face Altamesa 300 could be your perfect trail companion, comfortable, stable, and ready to help you explore daily life. The second product on our list is the NIKE Juniper Trail 2. The NIKE Juniper Trail 2 running shoes is the best premium one with superior materials and performance for demanding outdoor adventures. It will help you acquire even the toughest trails with confidence. Whether you're craving new off-road adventures or just want to leave the road behind, these shoes have you included. You are getting a durable blend of fabrics, weave, and imitation leather that will help your feet stay cool while the shoes stay on the toughest roads. Moreover, fly-wire fibers are integrated right into the laces for extra stability, giving you that secure, locked-in fit every time you tighten up. Besides these, the inner shoe wraps around your midfoot for a comfortable sock-like feel. In these shoes, you will get the rubber outsole with tapered studs that delivers strong traction, especially on rocky, random trails. Whether you're running up hills or down rough paths, these shoes grip and push you forward with confidence. Where durability is most necessary, the thick material around the sole area gives this strength. What's truly amazing are those colorful spots on the outsole. That is NIKE Grind. At least 8% of the outsole is made from recycled materials left over from Nike's manufacturing process. So, you are not just getting performance, you will be supporting sustainability too. If you're looking for the best premium trail running shoes that balance grip, durability, breathability, and eco-friendly design, the NIKE Juniper Trail 2 could be your smart choice for outdoor adventures. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Salomon Speedcross. This Salomon Speedcross Peak waterproof trail running shoe is the best overall shoe for its exceptional grip, durability, comfort for all trail conditions. It's designed with SensiFit construction, which wraps your foot like a glove for a secure, comfortable fit. With the quick lace system, you can tighten your shoes with just one pull and adjust them on the go. This shoe uses Salomon waterproof technology, a lightweight, flexible bootie that keeps water out while allowing your feet to breathe. Whether you're running through puddles or rainy conditions, your feet stay dry and comfortable. In these shoes, you will get an all-terrain Conagrip rubber outsole that has reliable grip and stability across any surface. The suspicious lugs help you to navigate rough trails, loose dirt, and wet stones without slipping. You'll move smoothly on rough mountain trails and dry roads. This shoe's heel cap and toe cap protection, which assist you to protect your feet from shocks, rough stones, and unexpected impacts. So, you can concentrate on your journey rather than your discomfort. If you want a durable waterproof trail running shoe which is built for serious grip, solid foot protection, and quick, secure adjustments, the Salomon Speedcross Peak can be your best trail buddy. That's all for our list of the top 5 best trail running shoes on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.